How to create a website. To create a website, you'll need to follow several steps. Here's a general guide to help you get started. Plan your website. Define the purpose of your website and determine what content you want to include. Consider your target audience, the goals you want to achieve, and the overall structure of the site. Choose a domain name. Select a unique and memorable domain name for your website. It should be relevant to your brand or content. You can register a domain name through various domain registrars. Select a web hosting provider. Look for a reliable web hosting provider that suits your needs. Compare their features, pricing, and customer support to make an informed decision. Design your website. Decide on the design and layout of your website. You can choose between using a website builder, content management system, CMS, like WordPress, or coding from scratch. Consider the visual elements, such as color scheme, typography, and images. Develop your website structure. Create a clear and logical structure for your website. Define the main pages or sections and how they will be interconnected through navigation menus and internal links. Create and organize content. Start adding content to your website. Write engaging and relevant text, create images or graphics, and gather any multimedia elements you want to include. Organize your content into appropriate categories or sections. Build web pages. Use your chosen method, website builder, CMS, or coding, to create individual web pages. Ensure consistency in design, layout, and navigation across all pages. Include necessary elements like headers, footers, and sidebars. Optimize for search engines. Implement basic search engine optimization, SERP, practices to make your website more discoverable. Use relevant keywords in your content, add meta tags, and optimize page load times. Test and optimize. Test your website thoroughly to ensure it works well on different browsers, devices, and screen sizes. Check for broken links, typos, and any other issues. Optimize your website's performance and load times. Launch your website. Once you're satisfied with your website, it's time to publish it. Upload your files to your web hosting server and make any necessary domain configurations. Test again to ensure everything works as expected. Maintain and update. Regularly update your website with fresh content, security patches, and feature enhancements. Monitor website analytics to gain insights into visitor behavior and make data-driven improvements.